In this video, we are building a powerful job scraper workflow using n8n. This automation will collect job listings automatically from selected sources and structure the data for you. No more manual searching or copying job posts every day. I will show you how scraping works, how data flows through the workflow, and how you can reuse this for different platforms. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start building the job scraper. Click the Create Workflow button. After this, rename this workflow to Job Scraper. Select Schedule Trigger and set it to the midnight. Add a new node and search for Google Gemini. We are bringing AI power into
After
this
renaming,
workflow. Select Google Gemini chat model. Add a new node of JavaScript code. After this, add a Google Sheets. Then again code of JavaScript. And lastly, Gmail message. Now go to the schedule trigger and execute the step for verification. The step executed successfully. Add the prompt in the message model and execute the step. Open a new tab and go to Google AI Studio. Generate JavaScript code that will parse job data from Google Sheets and transform it into beautiful HTML. Add the prompt in the message model and execute the step. The step executed successfully. Excellent. Copy the generated JavaScript code, AI writing code for us. Go back to n8n and add a code with JavaScript to process these job listings. Paste the JavaScript code into the node. This is where the magic happens. Now you have to add Google Sheets in your workflow. So go to Google Sheets and create one Google Sheet and rename it to Job Scraper. And you can see here there are many fields are there like job title, company, location, experience required, posted on, and job URL. Here I think so we have to add one more field, name skills. Insert one column. Now redirect to n8n and add your Google Sheet here. Name job scraper, sheet name is list, and the fields are, you have to drag and drop here all fields regarding to job scraper. Execute step, step executed successfully, or I can say node. Now add the JavaScript code in the regarding node of JavaScript. Add the code and execute the step. Now go to mail, add a receiver's email address. After this, add the subject from the Google AI Studio. Now add HTML, email type HTML and message of HTML. Simply drag and drop and execute the step. Now open Gmail and check out your mail address that your job scraper sheets is now available to you or not. You can simply click on it and you can review your jobs here in your Google Sheet. Now arrange each node in your workflow. After this, click Execute step to process the data and see your job listings formatted perfectly. Verify the email content and format professional, organized, and ready to help you land that dream job. Lastly, click Save and set the workflow to active. And that's how you create an automated job scraping workflow using n8n. This setup saves times and keeps job data organized automatically. In the next video, we'll enhance this workflow even further, or I can say, see different types of workflows. Until then, this is PcomLab. Enjoy and learn, and keep automating with tag beyond expectations. Thanks for watching.